The price of a shirt is increased by 20% and then decreased by 10%. What is the net percentage change? Your options are A, 8% increase, B, 2% decrease, C, 10% increase, and D, no change. The correct answer is A, 8% increase. Let us assume the original price is 100 rupees. After a 20% increase, the price becomes 120 rupees. After a 10% decrease, it becomes 108 rupees. Therefore, the net increase is 8%.
Question number 2. P invests 25,000 rupees and Q invests 40,000 rupees. After 3 months, P invests an additional 15,000 rupees. If the total profit is 122,000 rupees, what is Q's share? Your options are A, 64,000 rupees, B, 58,000 rupees, C, 60,000 rupees, and D, 68,000 rupees. The correct answer is option A, 64,000 rupees. Here is the explanation. P's total capital months is 25,000 into 3 plus 40,000 into 9, which equals 435,000. Q's total capital months is 40,000 into 12, which equals 480,000. So the profit ratio between P and Q is 435 is to 480, which simplifies to 29 is to 32. Therefore, Q's share is 122,000 into 32 divided by 61, which gives 64,000 rupees.
9, 12, and x are in proportion. If x plus 2, x plus 12, 18, and k are also in proportion, find k. Your options are A, 24, B, 27, C, 20, and D, 36. The correct answer is B, 27. Since 6, 9, 12, and x are in proportion, 6 by 9 equals 12 by x, which gives x equal to 18. Substituting x into the next set, 18 plus 2 gives 20, and 18 plus 12 gives 30. So 20 by 30 equals 18 by k, which gives k equal to 27. Question number 4. Find the sum of roots of the equation 3x to the power 4 minus 6x cubed plus 4x squared minus 7x plus so on equals 0. Your options are A, minus 6, B, minus 3, C, 2, and D, 3. The correct answer is C, 2. For a polynomial equation, the sum of roots is given by the formula minus b divided by a. Here, a is 3 and b is minus 6. Therefore, the sum of roots equals minus of minus 6 divided by 3, which is 6 divided by 3 equal to 2. Question number 5. Simplify 2 squared into 3 squared whole squared divided by 2 into 3 to the power minus 1. Your options are A, 288, B, 2,304, C, 1,152, and D, 7,776. The correct answer is D, 7,776. First, 2 squared into 3 squared whole squared equals 36 squared, which is 1,296. Next, 2 into 3 to the power minus 1 equals 1 by 6. Therefore, 1,296 divided by 1 by 6 gives 7,776. Question number 6. Rajat travels from point A to B at 28 kilometers per hour and returns at 44 kilometers per hour. Find his average speed. Your options are A, 34.76 kilometers per hour, B, 34.22 kilometers per hour, C,
34.92 kilometers per hour, and D, 34.06 kilometers per hour. The correct answer is option B, 34.22 kilometers per hour. When the distance covered in both journeys is equal, the average speed formula is 2AB divided by A plus B. Substituting 28 and 44 into the formula gives 2 multiplied by 28 multiplied by 44 divided by 28 plus 44, which equals 34.22 kilometers per hour.
Question number 7. If 8 pencils cost 24 rupees, find the cost of 14 pencils. Your options are A, 42 rupees, B, 39 rupees, C, 48 rupees, and D, 45 rupees. The correct answer is option A, 42 rupees. Here is the explanation. The cost of 1 pencil is 24 divided by 8, which equals 3 rupees. Therefore, the cost of 14 pencils is 14 multiplied by 3, which equals 42 rupees.
Question number 8. A 36-degree sector has an area of 32.4 pi square centimeters. Find the diameter. Your options are A, 36, B, 28, C, 18, and D, 42. The correct answer is option A, 36. The formula for the area of a sector is theta divided by 360 into pi r squared. Substituting the values, 36 by 360 into pi r squared equals 32.4 pi. Canceling pi from both sides, 1 by 10 into r squared equals 32.4, which gives r squared equal to 324. Therefore, the radius r is equal to 18 centimeters. Since diameter is twice the radius, 2 into 18 gives 36 centimeters.
Question number 9. A salary of 14,500 rupees is increased by 10%, decreased by 20%, and then increased by 34%. Find the final salary. Your options are A, $17,068.40, B, $17,088.40, C, $17,078.40, and D, $17,098.40. The correct answer is D, $17,098.40. Explanation. To find the final salary, multiply the initial amount by the successive percentage multipliers. 14,400 multiplied by 1.10, then by 0.80, and finally by 1.34, which equals $17,098.40.
Question number 10. Find additional money gained by changing the investment strategy. Your options are A, 115.20 rupees, B, 113.20 rupees, C, 112.20 rupees, and D, 125.20 rupees. The correct answer is A, 115.20 rupees. Original maturity is 27,180 rupees, and the new maturity is 27,216 rupees. The difference between them is 115.20 rupees.